everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Super Saturn. Super Saturn? Don't you mean it's a giant version of Saturn which has giant rings and it's very big? That's correct. It was found in Virgo constellation. The Virgo constellation. And also, do you know what? Nobody knows what it actually is. What? You think that it's just a planet with rings? No, wrong. Either it's a brown dwarf star or a big planet that has many moons. Actually, I'll tell about these rings. It's made of the same things like Saturn's rings are. Mostly ice chunks, debris, but some speculate there are moons inside. And it's very close to the sun. And it's bigger than Jupiter actually. But if it's close to our sun, don't its rings get, ripped into pieces and gobbled up by the sun? No, it has a retrograde orbit, meaning that it goes in the opposite direction. Picture this. This is its rings. And this is the planet. The planet is in the center and it's moving clockwise. And the rings are moving counterclockwise, like that. So it keeps it stable. But many think it's a mystery. As it's a mystery, did you know that actually one thing about it? It's size. And what it's made of? Hydrogen, helium, sometimes ammonia, like that. Whatever gas giants are made of. And also their cores are a bit of a mystery. That's why it's called the Super Saturn. Enormous rings and an enormous planet. And let's talk about a bit more of it. As its rings are heavy, it may be like having moons. But how do they house the moons? If they want to house the moons, they have to keep a big space, like a tidal lock. Here one side of the ring and another side of the ring. And in between, here is the moon. So the moon has plenty space to roam. On the other hand, it may be a brown dwarf star, smaller than its current sun. And when it's a brown dwarf star, planets will form. Like those are debris for planets to form. And some speculate that after a few years or millennia, it'll be out of its planets will disappear. You may think, what? Its planets will disappear? How? It has a retrograde orbit, but when it turns into a sun, it moves it around in the same way as the sun is moving around its own sun. And while it's moving, the planets will get one stripped, then stripped again, until there is no matter left. And sometimes if it gets too close, the planets will go away in one go and its atmosphere will strip out. If it's not a brown dwarf star, the moons are also same. And also if it's a planet, atmosphere. It's important, right? So the atmosphere will get stripped apart into various pieces and the core will come, like the ghost planets. Bye, see you soon.